I have some points. I just take them. I have dust, and dust is just some couple of points. Points are everywhere. Points are even atoms, and we have like 7 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0.0000000 atoms in our body. We have 7 and 27 zeros, which is a really big number. Points are really everywhere, and points, we can count them, but we can count simple things, so we use numbers. Numbers are very important, and when we write them, we use some couple of points. Points are, as I said, everywhere. So if we want to write something with letters, because we can't speak just with numbers, we use some couple of points. And when we use letters, if we put them like on a computer, we use binary codes, which are made by numbers. Then binary codes, the two binary codes, if we calculate them and count and recount, we have the scheme 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 0. If we reverse it, we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 0, the same one. But just 3 numbers aren't in that because they are the most important. They are 3, 6, and 9. 3 and 6 make 9, and we can say that 9 is the universe. 3 can be the white part and 6 the black one, and there are 9, which is the universe. This is one of the proof that if we count them, we have 9, 9, 9. And this is one of the most important things to know, the miles from the moon, sun, and earth. We also have the map to multiplication, which is, as you can see, if we calculate like this, we have 9, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, to 9. And these are the numbers who make us vibrate. If we want to understand the universe, we have to think in terms of energy, vibration, and frequency. We have to put our 3 and our 6 to make a 9, to make our life. And if we can make this, it's the best thing because we are so big, as I said, 7000 blah blah blah. It's a very big number, but to the universe it's too small and really invisible. But point by point, point makes a bigger one. A couple of points, which is a bigger point, and that can be our life, and we can change them points as we want. We can vibrate. As Tesla said, if you want the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Because everything vibrates. If we have good vibration, we have happiness, and we are happy and we smile, just as this cute wolf. Thank you.